Dear students, I would like to discuss most important questions from Module 2 for the subject Technological Innovation, Management and Entrepreneurship. In the Module 2, you need to focus the following question. This is a previous year question paper which is happening in the year of 2024. So in light of this, you have to focus few important questions that I will let you know. Define organization. You have to give the proper definition of organization with the suitable examples. Explain the principle of organizing, okay, which carries 10 marks. Try to highlight the points and underline. What is departmentalization? You can prepare the flow chart. Explain the process and purpose of departmentalization. What is the role of departmentalization? Why it is required? What is the purpose of hierarchy? Those things you are supposed to explanation, which carries 10 marks with the help of diagram, the pyramid shape, right? Maslow need of hierarchy with a suitable example. What is the need of basic need, self-actualization need, esteem needs? You have to explain individually, which carries 10 marks. Discuss the requirement of effective direction. Okay, what is the meaning of direction? Why the purpose of direction is required? Then explain the importance of communication. Okay, role of communication, business communication, especially if I talk about the communication, how, like, what is the meaning of who is the sender, who is the receiver? Prepare a flow chart. And what is the importance of communication in business? So that you are supposed to explain. So these are the questions which are already repeated in the year of 23, 24 academic year. Okay. Year of 2018 also, I have seen some question like purpose of organization, process of organizing, then purpose of staffing. What is the meaning of staffing? There are two types of staffing that also you are supposed to explain. What are the benefits of good staffing? Then explain the recruitment, process of recruitment. What is selection? Okay, those things you are supposed to explain. Okay, then any two motivation theories. You can add a Maslow theory of hierarchy. Okay. Two-factor theory also you can explain. Two type of theory, 3+3. In brief, no need to go elaborated manner because weightage is only 6 marks. Then what is communication? Discuss the purpose of communication. Okay, to transfer the information, to prevent the communication barriers. Explain the essential of effective control system. Okay, so this is also most important thing. From this, I like pointed out that pointing out to you that you please don't leave Maslow theory of hierarchy and the two-factor theory. Two-factor theory. These two are most important thing. Kindly don't leave. Okay. Yes. So in 2019, there are some questions which I want to intimate you. Briefly explain the principle of organization. Briefly, various steps involved in the selection process. It's regarding the recruitment. Okay, selection. What's the purpose of selection? What are the process involved in the selection? You need to explain point wise. Importance of coordination and the techniques. Then define controlling, explain the steps in control process. With the help of flow chart or block diagram, you can explain in brief. So these are the important questions in the year of 2019. Okay. Now I'll be moving on to another part. Okay. So let me discuss with the 2020 question paper in the year of 2020. So let me share the screen again. Here, various principles of management, the steps in selection process, various types of organization with the line diagram. Okay, types of organization. There are different varieties are there. Different types are available. Different type of hierarchy. One organization is entirely different from other organization. You have to follow the hierarchy. Distinguish between centralization and decentralization. You have to speak about the pros and cons of both the system. Then explain Maslow's, then Herzberg theories. Herzberg theories of motivation. Then note the barriers of communication. What are the major barriers? Okay. So this is also most important thing. Now in the module 2, you can see principles of management, then selection process, type of organization, Maslow and Herzberg theories, centralization and decentralization, barriers of communication. Okay, those are quite important. Now 2023, we'll check it up. So when it comes to 2023, so like a span of control, that is actually they have 3A, question number 3A. Then talk about committee. What is the importance of committee? The types of committee. Okay. It's like a temporary setup for like organization, not permanent. It's for meeting the special purpose. Then recruitment. You have to talk about the recruitment, the steps involved in the recruitment. Then you have to mention about like effective direction, types of leadership. That is question number 4B, autocratic, democratic, and a free reign leadership style. Type of leadership style is also important. Weightage is 8 marks. Explain the meaning of control, benefits of control. I think by seeing this, you'll come to know what are the most important questions which is going to be asked in the examination. Okay, thank you.